Hello there guys, welcome to my latest screencast. I'm Paul Chater. This is for basically CodrEu. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved to create a sort of content slider within Paul's domain of testing, which is my sort of test bed if none of you have been following me lately. As you can see here, when you click on a link, then it just nicely fades down and stuff and reveals all the content. So without further ado, it's going to be a really short screencast. So yeah, without further ado, let's get coding. Alright, first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to open up the actual doc type. I'm using HTML5, by the way. HTML. Oh, poo. Title, jQuery-ness. Now we'll want the head. Then the link. Oh no, sorry. My bad. HTML head, then title, sorry. jQuery-ness. Then you want link rel style sheet. Type CSS. Media equals screen projector. And finally href of style.css. Now the reason why I'm not using a text expander is because I can't be bothered at the moment. So we're just typing it in manually. Script type, text JavaScript, source. Now I'm just going to quickly grab the main.js file, sort of URL. There we go. That's for jQuery. Now script type, text JavaScript, source is equals to function.js. As you can see on the side here, we have function.js, index.php and style.css. I created those in a random folder just before I done the screencast. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to close off the head, open up the body, and create a new div with the ID of wrapper. And then we want to put in a header tag called jQuery-ness. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do a code tag, and then this will be for my links. I'm not using LIs or anything, it's too much for styling. And then we'll give this an ID of nav item 1, call this box 1, href hash sign, ID equals nav item 2, box 2, ahref equals ID equals nav item 3, box 3. End the code tag. Now we'll want 3 boxes of a div. So div class equals box 1, end div class equals box 2, div class equals box 3, and then also end that div, then end the body, end the div wrapper, and then end the body, and then end the HTML. So far, what you will see is if I go to jQuery-ness. Oh, okay. Why did that not work? Ah, there we go. As you can see, you'll just see that simple, nothing much there. So probably just going to do a little bit of styling now just to make it all nice and neat and stuff like that. So without further ado, again, let's get started. Right, so we'll want the body, the main body styling. We'll want the background color as light grey. And we want the margin set from 40 pixels from the top and auto aligned. Then we'll want the font as 10 point, the Cedar Grand. Trebuchet and sans serif. And the colour for this will be just say a random grey colour. Now what we want to do, we don't really want to style the links any, so we'll just go straight into the wrapper. So we want this note from the top and auto aligned, so background colour, white, border 1 pixel solid, and sort of a dull grey colour. Now width, I want this set to 500 pixels, and the padding set from no pixels from the top, 15 pixels to the right, 10 pixels from the bottom, and 15 pixels to the left. And yes, I just see my semicolon mistake there. Now we're going to add in some CSS3 spec stuff. So if you haven't got Mozilla Firefox 3.5 or Safari 4, then this won't work for you in a normal browser. Moz box shadow. Now you want it 3 pixels from the right, 3 pixels from the bottom, and also 1 pixels for the actual shadow itself, and you want that a grey colour. Now I'm going to do it for the same for WebKit. 3 pixels, 3 pixels, 1 pixel, dear. That should be about it. So when you return, you should have something that looks just a little bit like that. Now, time to style up the code. So what we want to do, we want to do the ID wrapper with code, then font family, Monaco, Lucida console, small fonts, that's probably wrong, but I don't care, and maybe CodrEu. No, small fonts will just do. Maybe want them 12 pixels. Background colour, sort of whitey grey, sort of off grey type thing. Border 1 pixel solid, another sort of darkish greyish colour. The main colour, just have it black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's right. Displays block. Margin 14 pixels from the top, 0 from the left, 14 pixels from the bottom, 0 from the right. Sorry, that was 14 pixels from the top, 0 from the right, 14 pixels from the top, bottom, 0 from the left. Then we want padding, 12 pix, 10 pixels, 12 pixels, 10 pixels. Another thing what we're going to do here, we're going to add the classes for the actual nav items. So I haven't really done this with sort of IDs, so I'm not sure if this will work or not, but we'll give it a shot. Nav item 1, nav item 2, nav item 3, and we want to set the display of these to none. Right, something's just gone wrong there. Swear to God, that's how I've done it before. Maybe if I take out the wrapper code there.